Today, we're going to talk about G2, the work breakdown structure. Me and my group began by defining our project scope. We defined it as we're taking a study abroad trip to Germany, and we are hoping that with the work breakdown structure, it will be interesting, amazing, and educational. We believe that this is going to allow us to hit our three most important aspects of this trip. We want it to be interesting, we want everyone to have an amazing time, but it is a study abroad trip, so we want it to be educational. The work breakdown structure. We're going to talk about what it is, who is using it, why it's used, when, where, and how it's used. What is the work breakdown structure? It's a breakdown of a project showing work elements and products. It shows the process of getting to the final project and the building blocks that lead to this outcomes. It helps us allocate resources and know what we need in order to make this trip a reality. Who's using the work breakdown structure? Our group used it to actively and continue planning for our study abroad trip to Germany. Why is it used? We use it to increase our efficiency and effectiveness of the time that we spend on this project. We don't have a lot of time to plan this, and we want to ensure that we plan it as efficiently as possible while also maintaining a high level of quality in the work. When is it used? It should be used anytime somebody is trying to plan a project. The WBS defines scope, deliverables, budgeting, anything else that you need in order to make whatever your project is as effective and as good as possible. Where is it used? We used a website called Mural to create our work breakdown structure. It saves as a project in this online tool, and it can be continually edited throughout the rest of the course to ensure that we continue to have the best possible outcomes and have an incredibly planned trip. How is the work breakdown structure used? We worked together on group FaceTime for about an hour and a half, and we planned out the activities, cultural aspects, social aspects, project management aspects, and other. We decided in Germany that we're going to go to a soccer match, and since we're also focusing on public transportation, we're going to go to their transit museum, network with local transportation executives, people who own the transportation companies that have helped revolutionize Germany's travel industry. We think that by doing all these things that we will be able to create an incredibly educational trip and find a great way to enjoy ourselves while also learning a lot and making sure that we hit on our goal of learning more about their transportation. Thank you.